Hi, hello everyone. This is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పైన మాక్ టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మాక్ టెస్ట్ నెంబర్ 4. అండ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ కి మధ్య 5 సెకండ్స్ గ్యాప్ ఇస్తాను. అండ్ 5 సెకండ్స్ లో మీరు ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ గైస్, వీడియో చూసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 50 మీరు ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ గెయిన్ చేశారు అన్నది నాకు కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. In DC generator, option A, both armature and magnetic field rotates. Option B, armature is stationary and magnetic field is rotating. Option C, magnetic field is stationary and armature is rotating. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, armature is stationary and magnetic field is rotating. Second bit. Prime mover in DC generator is used to rotate dash. Option A, both armature and magnetic field. Option B, armature only. Option C, magnetic field only. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, armature only. Third bit. The type of e.m.f induced in armature conductors of DC generator is dash. Option A, self-induced e.m.f. Option B, mutual induced e.m.f. Option C, dynamically induced e.m.f. Option D, no e.m.f is induced. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, dynamically induced e.m.f. Fourth bit. Field coils of DC machine are made of dash. Option A, silver. Option B, carbon. Option C, aluminium. Option D, carbon. Answer guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, copper. Fifth bit. Armature of a DC machine is built up of dash. Option A, silver lamination. Option B, steel lamination. Option C, carbon lamination. Option D, aluminium lamination. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, steel lamination. Sixth bit. The ends of the armature coils are joined to dash. Option A, field coils. Option B, commutator segments. Option C, brushes. Option D, any of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, commutator segments. Seventh bit. In DC generator, the commutators dash. Option A, converts alternating current to unidirectional current. Option B, converts unidirectional current to alternating current. Option C, rotate the armature in a particular direction. Option D, improves the commutation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, converts alternating current to unidirectional current. Eighth bit. The commutator segments are separated by dash. Option A, cotton insulation. Option B, mica insulation. Option C, press board. Option D, oil insulation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, oil insulation. Ninth bit. The brushes in a DC machines are made of dash. Option A, aluminium. Option B, steel. Option C, mica. Option D, carbon. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, carbon. 10th bit. By using dash, the current in the external circuit of DC generator is maintained in unidirection. Option A, slip rings. Option B, brushes. Option C, split rings. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, split rings. 11th bit. A TDM system. Option A, needs lower bandwidth. Option B, gives low signal to noise ratio. Option C, uses simple circuits as compared to FDM system. Option D, has all above characteristics. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B, gives low signal to noise ratio. 12th bit. Which one of the following is not necessarily the advertising of SSB ever AM? Option A, less powered handled. Option B, simple circuitry. Option C, less bandwidth required for SSB. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B, simple circuitry. 13th bit. Which of the following is not the result of modulation? Option A, reduction in bandwidth. Option B, transmission over long distance. Option C, separation of different transmissions. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A, reduction in bandwidth. 14th one. In communications, the sampling techniques lead to dash. Option A, higher efficiency. Option B, cheaper equipment. Option C, higher speed of communication. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C, higher speed of communications. 15th bit. The adverse effect of noise in a communication system is maximum in dash. Option A, encoder. Option B, receiver. Option C, source. Option D, channel. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option D, channel. 16th bit. In order to get back the original signal from the sampled signal, it is necessary to use dash. Option A, high pass filter. Option B, low pass filter. Option C, band pass filter. Option D, band reject filter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B, low pass filters. 17th bit. Channel capacity is exactly equal to dash. Option A, amount of information per second. Option B, bandwidth of demand. Option C, noise rate in the demand. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A, amount of information per second. 18th bit. The capacity of a channel is dash. Option A, number of digits used in coding. Option B, volume of information it can take. Option C, bandwidth required for information. Option D, maximum rate of information transmission. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option D, maximum rate of information transmission. 19th bit. DIT is a unit of dash. Option A, entropy. Option B, channel capacity. Option C, information. Option D, rate of information. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C, information. 20th bit. 1 DIT equals to dash. Option A, 1 bit. Option B, 1.7 bits. Option C, 3.32 bits. Option D, 10 bits. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C, 3.32 bits. 21st bit. The aluminium frame in moving coil meter will dash. Option A, supports the coil and provide damping by eddy current induced in it. Option B, only supports the coil. Option C, only provide damping by eddy current induced in it. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A, supports the coil and provide damping by eddy current induced in it. 22nd bit. The type of damping used in permanent magnet moving coil meter is dash. Option A, air friction. Option B, eddy current. Option C, liquid friction. Option D, any of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, eddy current. 23rd bit. In dynamo meter moving coil, instrument deflecting turquoise is dash. Option A, inversely proportional to the coil current. Option B, proportional to the coil current. Option C, proportional to square of the coil current. Option D, 0. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, proportional to square of the coil current. 24th bit. The instrument which is cheapest for DC measurements is dash. Option A, moving iron. Option B, PMMC. Option C, hot wire. Option D, dynamo meter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, moving iron. 25th bit. Air friction damping and gravity control is used in dash. Option A, dynamometer type. Option B, PMMC. Option C, attraction type moving iron. Option D, repulsion type moving iron. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, attraction type moving iron. 26th bit. The shunt temperature coefficient must be dash. Option A, very low. Option B, very high. Option C, both A and B. Option D, any of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, very low. 27th bit. 1 ohm and below the value are called. Option A, high resistance. Option B, medium resistance. Option C, low resistance. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, low resistance. 28th bit. Example of low resistance is option A, armature and series field resistance. Option B, armature shunt resistance. Option C, cable insulation. Option D, all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of this. 29th bit. For measuring low resistance, which method is used? Option A, ammeter voltmeter method. Option B, potentiometer method. Option C, Kelvin's double bridge method. Option D, all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of this. 30th bit. Wheatstone bridge method is used to find option A, voltage. Option B, current. Option C, power. Option D, resistance. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, resistance. 31st bit. Redundancy in communication system. Option A, reduce efficiency of communication. Option B, helps to detect error. Option C, helps to correct error. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 32nd bit. Amount of information in a continuous signal is dash. Option A, 0. Option B, bytes. Option C, bits. Option D, infinite. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, infinite. 33rd bit. Cosmic noise is caused by dash. Option A, lightning discharge. Option B, distant stars. Option C, solar eruption. Option D, industrial electrical discharges. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, distant stars. 34th bit. Thermal noise voltage in a resistor R at temperature T is dash. Option A, proportional to T. Option B, proportional to t square. Option C, proportional to root t. Option D, independent of t. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, proportional to t square. 35th bit. In FM broadcast, the maximum modulation frequency is restricted. Option A, 15 kHz. Option B, 10 kHz. Option C, 5 kHz. Option D, 20 kHz. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 15 kHz. 36th bit. Which of the following receiver does not have amplitude limiter stage? Option A, AM. Option B, FM. Option C, both AM and FM. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, AM. 37th bit. Which of the following will carry the same information as the AM wave itself? Option A, VSB only. Option B, VSB and SSB. Option C, SSB, VSB and DSB. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 38th bit. In which of the following modulating system, when the modulating frequency is doubled, the modulating index also becomes dash? Option A, AM. Option B, PM. Option C, FM. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, PM. 39th bit. In phase modulation, the modulation index M is proportional to option A, signal strength. Option B, carrier voltage. Option C, modulating frequency. Option D, carrier frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, modulating frequency. 40th bit. In FM, option A, noise decreases by increasing deviation. Option B, noise decreases by decreasing deviation. Option C, noise decreases by maintaining deviation constant. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, noise decreases by increasing deviation. 41st bit. A solar cell is converted into dash. Option A, heat energy into electrical energy. Option B, solar energy into electrical energy. Option C, heat energy into light energy. Option D, solar energy into light energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, solar energy into electrical energy. 42nd bit. A solar cell converts dash. Option A, carbon. Option B, magnesium. Option C, telephone. Option D, silicon. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, silicon. 43rd bit. The cheapest plant in operation and maintenance is option A, steam power plant. Option B, nuclear power plant. Option C, diesel power plant. Option D, hydroelectric power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, hydroelectric power plant. 44th bit. Dash requires less space. Option A, diesel power plant. Option B, nuclear power plant. Option C, thermal power plant. Option D, hydroelectric power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, diesel power plant. 45th bit. The most suitable power plant for traffic signal light is option A, nuclear power plant. Option B, solar power plant. Option D, hydroelectric power plant. Option D, diesel power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, solar power plant. 46th bit. Steam turbines are used in dash. Option A, thermal power plant. Option B, solar power plant. Option C, hydroelectric power plant. Option D, diesel power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, thermal power plant. 47th bit. Static electricity is produced due to dash. Option A, friction. Option B, light. Option C, magnetic. Option D, heat. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, friction. 48th bit. Dash is used for the place where the continuous requirement of electricity is needed. Option A, atomic power plant. Option B, gas power plant. Option C, diesel power plant. Option D, thermal power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, diesel power plant. 49th bit. The most simple and keen plant is option A, hydroelectric power plant. Option B, nuclear power plant. Option C, steam power plant. Option D, gas power plant. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, hydroelectric power plant. 50th bit. In hydroelectric power plant, option A, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Option B, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Option C, potential energy is converted into electrical energy. Option D, heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 50 ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ గెయిన్ చేశారు అనేది కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయడం మటుకి మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.